Hi students, this is Upendra. We are discussing Django classes series. So last two videos I have uploaded introduction of Django, how to install Django framework, and how to create a Django project through command prompt without using any tool, VS Code, Python, something. Okay. Next video, second video I have created how to create Django project in VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So today class, it is a third video. Today class, I'm going to explain about how to define multiple functions. How to define multiple functions in views.py in Django. Views.py in Django. So I'll be showing this project in VS Code students. I'll be creating this project in VS Code. So without delay, we'll see the explanation students. So I have created a folder with the name Django batch 37. I'll open CMD. I'll open VS Code. So multiple functions here, each function represents one request students. That means user can send multiple requests. So you can find terminal here, three dots are there. You can select terminal, new terminal. Then you will be getting like this. Now I'm going to create a new Django project. Django-admin, start project. The project name I'm going to create with the name start. So we should change the directory. After that, we have to create project application folder. Manage.py. Sorry, Python. Manage.py. Start test. Python manage.py start test. So this command is going to create the application folder. You can see here the Django batch 37. Here you have a third project which you have created. If we expand, I have a test staff and third. Next step is we have to register application folder name inside settings.py. We'll go to the project folder and open settings.py. If you scroll down, install docs, here within the string format, you should mention the application folder name. And then we'll define multiple functions. We'll create multiple functions and define inside views.py. So for example, here we have to import from django.http import http response. So def home, this home function will display welcome message. This home function will display welcome message. It's a plain text. Home function will display plain text of message. So request object return HTTP response. Already we have explained this HTTP response object in last class. Last video, you can check students. Now I'm going to display plain text. This is home page. This is home page created by Upendra sir. Another function I'm going to define is something like some ABC. request. The function name, you can define any name, student. Return. I'm going to display some HTML content. You can keep presentation logic, HTML content in business logic, which means views.py. Views.py file is a Python file. It is also a business logic. So HTTP response. Now I'm going to display HTML content something. I'm putting this one in H1 tag or paragraph. This is HTML content. I'll apply some CSS inline style sheet, style equal to within the single quotes. The font size, some 50 pixels, some semicolon. Text color, I want something green, something. Okay, semicolon. So we can define multiple functions, students. So inside urls.py, you have to register these two functions. I'll remove all this code, which is unnecessary. Now we have to specify the path of the views file. You know, urls.py file present in the project folder, whereas views.py present in the desktop folder. So this is called urls.py code, which contains URLs pattern information. So that means urls.py file should understand where the views.py file available. So that means we should import from desktop, import views. Now, as a home page, I want to display plain text. Here you can type use home function. Another pattern also there. We have two patterns. For example, for something, comma, use dot ABC function. Okay, that's it, students. After that, we have to start the server. How to execute Django project is, you should type the command python manage.py run server. Just hold the control key and just press this, click this link, students. Otherwise, you can copy paste this link in browser. Okay. So we should remove this pattern. Now it will be executed. Okay, you can see, students, you got a message. This is a home page created by Upendra sir. So you know, it is a like a home page without specifying any URL pattern. Without specifying any URL pattern, you want to display some message. Then you can mention the pattern empty pattern. Empty pattern. Suppose based on URL pattern, you want to display output. Then you can specify that URL pattern. Here, totally two URL patterns. And this is the not plain text, it's a HTML content. So this is the way to define or keep up HTML code inside views.py. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you, students.